So you've got a Chipolo POP tracker and you're wondering how to change the battery. Let's go ahead and show you how. Now these use a CR2032 battery, so they look like this. And the ones that come with it are Duracell. So I've got a Duracell one here. And if you're interested in those, I'll put them below in the description. Now go ahead and grab your tracker. And if you have a look at the edge here on the right hand side, there's a little kind of notch around the perimeter there. And it says to use your fingernail, which I don't think works great. I prefer using a little kind of kitchen knife like this, and you can stick it in there a little bit and just be really careful and twist a little bit. It should pry off the edge there so it's away, and you can pull it apart like that. Now under here you'll see the battery area there, and there's a cover on it. So we need to rotate this counterclockwise. So I think the easiest way is to use your thumbs and just kind of rotate it around like this until the kind of notches line up, and then we can pull that out just like that. And then we can go ahead and pull out the battery here as well. So you can see that's again a CR2032 Duracell. That's the original battery. If I just give it a little pop there, it should come out. We'll put that one aside, and then we'll grab our new battery. So this is the exact same one, and with the plus side up there, or the positive side up, not that side, but the positive side, we'll put it right back in. Oh, there we go. We've got some noise. Now to put the battery cover back on, you'll see there's those two little teeth on it. Those need to line up with the notches here. So go ahead and line those up. And we're probably going to make some noise while we do this. We're going to try and rotate it clockwise now. So give it a little push and rotate it so those teeth kind of slide under the plastic cover. There we go. You can see that they're hidden, so we rotated clockwise. And then we can go ahead and grab our cover here. So make sure that the hole there lines up with the hole on the other side. Line it up perfectly like that. And then you can go ahead and give it a push once it's perfect. And it should pop right back together like that. And really it's that quick and simple to change the battery here on your Chipolo POP tracker.